Today is Sunday, January 16th, 2022. We haven't posted a video, I think, in probably 6 months or maybe more. But today we're driving around Garden City Beach area. This is Winter Storm Izzy, which is tracking up the East Coast. So here in the Myrtle Beach coastal area, it's just bringing rain. Inland a little bit, they're getting some freezing rain, sleet. A little bit farther west, they're getting some snow. Make sure the car's in park. Let's just go take a quick walk out on the beach, see what it looks like. First we'll come out here. Roads are starting to get a little bit flooded just from the rainwater. It's not too bad right here, but a little bit farther south, a few hundred yards past where we are, there was a good couple inches of water on the road. Fairly miserable out here. I think it's about 38 degrees. So that is Surfside Pier. Whew. Getting pelted. Surfside Pier again. Gotta hold the phone with two hands. It's about to blow out of my hand. Wind is at my back now, looking south. Be like this. I would much prefer it to be 10 degrees colder and snow. So there you go. That's your quick look at the beach. Sorry for zipping around so much. The sea is angry today, my friends. All right, that's it. Have a great day. Okay, a little bonus footage. Just pulled out of our parking area, which really looks like an empty home site. I'm just gonna turn those down a little bit, drive a little farther up here in Garden City, give you an idea what it looks like today. Cedar Avenue, public access 1, we just passed. And we can see, I think I misspoke in the video. I think I looked up towards the pier and said it was the Surfside Pier. That's what I said, that's wrong. It's the Garden City Pier. The Surfside Pier is not yet a pier again. It's still being built, reconstructed. This is the intersection for Atlantic Avenue. We're going to go left, which goes inland towards the right here. We are just right of the pier, of Garden City Pier. There it is. It looks like that. I'm going to whip around here to the left. The family Honda Pilot. Doing extremely well. The tide must be out because the water's low on both sides here, but frequently the water will come up and cross this road, this little causeway here. That's not the case currently, so that's good. What is this bird trying to dive on? Well, alright. That's about it. Hope you enjoyed the past 5 minutes or so. If you did, please like and subscribe. We'll try to put more videos upcoming soon. Thanks. Have a great day.